Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If failed initialize Steam on the Windows 11, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix the Steam initialization problem. So watch the video till the end. First, check the storage of the device. To check, go to the drive where to install the file. I am going to C drive where generally install the program files. Here you can see no storage issue. If you have a storage problem, then free up the storage first. Now second solution is right click on the Steam and go to the open file location, and here right click on the Steam file and go to the properties, click on the compatibility. Now check the compatibility mode, check. If it is not checked, then first is check and click on the window 8 and check this option, run this program as administrator, and then apply and click OK. Now close the window and put the start bar and click on the power button and restart your device. After doing this, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.